Hey everyone, we're going to show you how to make a simple basic paper airplane with using just the right tools, just a new invention I have made, and it actually flies pretty good. It depends on how you throw it, and let's show you a few throwing videos. And now, here's the airplane that I seem to just have made. Hopefully it will look just like this. And it looks really cool. If you really look at it, it flies really good. It's got its own little landing gear type thing. This helps it fly. It has 2 extra wings too. So, you can see I'm going to show you how to make that. So first you can just grab any kind of paper that you see laying around. That kind of paper, like old work paper that you had, like any kind of paper that you just use or recycle. And then what you gotta do is just go over a little bit by doing this. Make sure you got it like correctly, not too sloppy, otherwise. As you can see, I'm gonna do it with one hand since I'm really skilled with this. You have to kind of get it right in between the lines if you want to fold it. So this is a little basic thing I just did. So what I did is you get the piece of paper, you go ahead and go like this. Make sure it's really creased, otherwise it won't fly as well. Because if you want it to fly, it's going to have to be creased. So this is what you do. You get that. Make sure that's good. And then next you want to get the other half. And make sure it is correctly, like, really good folded. Fold it good. Make sure it lines up with the other lines. And you can just go ahead. You can always feel free to tilt it if you like. And anyway, and this is all you have to do is just do that, tilt it, feel free. And then next, you're gonna have to get this, which, let me set the camera down real quick. You're gonna have to do this, which kind of like takes a little bit of 2 hands to do it. I'm gonna go ahead and skip this part a little bit, but not to worry. Since you go like that, go like this. See how it has 4 lines? You might want to get this into here. So you go like that. It's kind of hard to do this with one hand because it's an origami fold, but I'm pretty sure I can get it down, hopefully. You might want to go ahead and do this. Make sure it's like this, and you go ahead, make sure it's like that. See how it's like opening like right there? That's where you want to try to push this in, like push it in. That way, you won't be confused. I'm trying to do this a little slower if I could, but I'm trying to make sure. But if you guys get a little lost or anywhere, try clicking the pause button or anything, because in this part, now I might be able to go a lot more faster than I was. Now you can see. Now, as you can see, I'm giving it a little more detailed fold, which it should be a lot easier to, like a detailed plane. But right now, this one is the same thing as this one, as you see here. So, as you can see, I'm gonna go ahead and turn the plane over. Make sure it's creased good. And you kind of open it back up. Make sure the other wing blends in. And as you can see, it turns out to be this shape, but it won't be able to fly yet. because it doesn't have its landing gear. So the simplest part is to do it is get this, you bend it back. See, you go like this, you bend it back a little bit, you bend it back, and then you do the same on the other side, which it should be a little easy and simple. And as you can see, you go ahead and do that, and it comes up with the type landing gear. And to get the fins on, it's really basic and simple. All you gotta do is just do it like you make your normal planes. It's really simple, and by then you should come up with the plane the same exact plane that I have. And you just get the fins down, and there we go. Now you can actually see what I came up with, and here it is. It's actually pretty good, the same thing as before. And again, you can use any kind of paper, long as one tip, do not use the hard paper, the construction paper, because it won't fly. And next, let's see if this flies. Flies really good, but I guess I'll see you guys all next time. Bye!